welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to construct angle 105 degrees. First of all, we are drawing our straight line, so we'll pick point A, pick this as point A and pick this as point B. So from our point A we have to pick our compass, draw a semicircle, then mark this point, so we are going to be constructing angle 90 degree first. So we pick our compass and our ruler. We are going to be using short dashes because this isn't actually what we are looking for. We are actually looking for angle 105 degree. So after that, we are going to be dividing this and this. We can put this as AB, make this C. So draw this as our D and make this our D. So this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So DAB, that is angle DAB, is equals to 105 degree. This angle here is 105 degree. This is the angle we are looking for, angle DAB. Thanks for watching. Do well to drop a subscribe.